Hi, my dear all friends, how are you? Welcome to Hear from Honey Forex Telegram VIP Forex signals. Our team provide all kind of signals, oil, gold, silver, indexes, and also Forex all pairs. Join our VIP Forex signals, and save your time and money. We have 3 types of subscriptions: 6 months subscription $399, 1 year subscription $599, and lifetime subscription $999 only. You can pay via BTC, USDT, Skrill and also via Binance. Thanks. All links available in video description. Take care yourself, and good luck.
Hey friends! How are you? Forex trading is very difficult, it is not easy. So first of all, understand the basics. You will see the up main chart. In the main chart there are weekly chart and daily chart. After will come in up H4, which level up marked in up H4. See here main, HBO, LBD, SNR, SND, FBG, rally base rally, drop base drop, rally base drop, drop base rally, resistance become support, support become resistance. Demand area, supply area, bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, support and resistance, structure breakout, structure breakdown, double top, double bottom, triple top, triple bottom, higher to high, lower to low, QM level, available is. And there are many more. How to use FIBO. Our team uses 3 methods of breakout and breakdown, which is valid, and which is not, retest entry which is valid, and which is not. Our team has many kinds of methods. And then there are a lot of things, like technical analysis, and fundamental analysis, and it has 3 sessions. Number 1, Asian sessions, number 2, London sessions, number 3, New York session, and our team does most of trading in London session and New York session. And in New York session you have some. There is Forex Factory or FX News, that has to be taken care of, FOMC, FOMC minutes, CPI, GDP price index, GDP growth rate, unemployment rate, non-from payroll, goods trade balance, interest rate decision, jobless claims. But still, our team does 75% work on technical analysis and 25% work on fundamental analysis. So it is better learn Forex first. Give it time, learn it with full dedication, and then make your investment with a good Forex broker. Otherwise, you can suffer a lot of losses in the Forex market. The best Forex charts for trading: oil, gold, USD CAD, USD JPY, USD THF, EURUSD, GBP SD, AUDUSD. And to learn all these things, our team is also conducting online classes. The total time is 2 to 3 months. Saturday and Sunday is a holiday. The monthly fee is $799 only. Many peoples have benefited from our online live classes here. And our VIP Telegram Forex signals will be free for anyone who will learn online live classes. You can pay via Skrill, BTC, USDT or via Binance. Are all links available in video description. You can contact us via Telegram or via mail ID. Thanks.